Well, the storm is finally departing, and now our focus is on the cold and the impacts that linger behind the storm. And I know the snow gets a lot of attention, but there will be some travel disruptions and cold weather concerns over the next few days. We have our weather impact alert through this upcoming Wednesday. There's going to be times where mornings are near or below zero, with, of course, a breeze for many days this week, making it feel below zero regardless. So that's going to make it a bit tougher for crews to clean up here as we kick off our Monday, and that could bring some slick travel. We'll talk about that in a second. But for tonight, continuing to see that coastal low now lifts north, and a few flurries possible, a few light snow showers, and those will generally shut off as we head into tomorrow morning. Winds are light to start, but notice by midday, the afternoon, gusts of 20 to 30 miles an hour will be possible throughout our Monday. And that's not only going to add to the chill in the air, but any of that loose and fluffy snow that fell, especially the further north you go, that could really blow some things around, especially on the back roads. So unfortunately, crews still going to be likely cleaning up here, always thinking of them, and the cold itself will be brutal as well. So Monday features the teens for highs and feeling like the single digits at times. By Monday evening and overnight, temperatures are going to drop to near zero pretty quickly, and we are forecasting that 0-degree mark at the Harrisburg Airport, which would officially beat the record low of 2 degrees set all the way back in 1936. So just goes to show the perspective of how cold this is, and it's not just for the early week. It is here really to stay for the rest of the month. So again, wind chills are most concerning. Temperatures could feel anywhere from -10 to -20 at times as we go into our Tuesday morning. So it is important to layer up, protect yourself, and as the prolonged cold continues, important to check in on your loved ones, your pets, and also as we head into the week, we'll keep an eye out for any cold weather impacts. If you have susceptible pipes, any bodies of water that continues to ice over. Again, just lingering impacts here for the foreseeable future as the Arctic cold is going nowhere. Again, we have our weather impact alert through Wednesday. The breeze dies down a bit Tuesday afternoon, picks up again on Wednesday. So those teens will feel like the single digits. Mornings, notice, still into the single digits or sub-zero in some of our colder locations through much of the week. So anytime you get a breeze, those temperatures will continue to be concerning. The next weekend is February. We'll see what the groundhog says because the Arctic cold is going nowhere anytime soon.